team. So this is a 1x bet clone which I'm going to show you. Here you can check we already set up multiple category. Here you can check we already added some like sports games. So like Tata IPL. So here you can check the team name. Here you can check your questions. So like total on this or this. You can select. You can select the number of amount and then you can place bet. Okay. So this is a betting application. So here you can check your bet. You just need to log in once for that. Then you can do it. Then your user can easily register here. There is an option to register. Then you can check live upcoming data. Then you can check your results as well. So all results will come here. You can check or you can check your about us, FAQ, blog, and other things. Okay. So this is the front end which I already show you. Okay, now let me show you the admin panel. So this is the admin panel's dashboard which you can check here. Okay, you can check user data, active user join, total user fund, total deposit, month deposit, or here you can check other things. Month summary, you can check it here. Payout statics, latest user data, you can check. Then we have a role and permissions. So here you can set up multiple roles. So like you can create multiple roles. You just need to give name of that roles, and you can select permission. What permission you need to assign them, and then they can easily register themselves or log in themselves. Then they can manage your solutions. Then we have a KYC. So here you can manage your KYC type. Then which games we are working on that. So here you can check or you can set up game category. Here you can add multiple category. Okay, you can add and delete. Then we have a tournament. So what tournament are running and already we added, so that data will come here. You can add multiple tournament. Then we have team. So like uh, for dice, what teams are there? For chess, what teams are there? We can set up these things here. For boxing, it's like that. You can add and delete. You can create multiple teams. Then we have a matches data. So match data will come here. You can check. You can create multiple matches. Select the category. Select the tournament. Match name. Team 1, Team 2, start date and date. Then you can add. Then you can log that match if you want. Then we have added. Then you can create questions. So on front end I already showed you the questions. Like this is the questions. So here you can add questions, end date, status, or you can set up your options. This is yes and no, or what is the options. Here you can add and you can save it. Okay, then we have like question is, so how much question we had created, that data will come here. You can add and delete. You can add questions if you want, or you can check that questions data. Then we have a pending results. So what results are pending, that data will come here. You can view, or you can check, or you can give answer. So you can like if you want to make winner, so you can make winner this user. Okay, so here you can edit, you can delete, or you can refine back. This is the options which you can check. Then we have a close results. So what result we had closed, that data will come here. You can check the data, you can view, you can edit. Then we have a referral commissions. So what referral commission you want to give, then you can give. Select that like deposit, bet invest, or bet win bonus. Just select it, select the label, and then you can generate it. Okay. Then we have a transaction. So all transaction will come here. Then we have commissions. So all types of commissions you can check. Bet history, you can check it here. Then we have all user data. You can check all user data. You can edit. You can send email. You can check login as user. You can check the balance, last login. You can filter it by date and all. Then we have pending KYC and all. You can manage that. Then we have KYC log, send email. Then we have a payment method. You can check payment method. You can edit, delete, or you can add key. Like if you are using Samojo, so you can set up just key. Then it will be work for you. Okay. Then we have like other things. Let me show you like manual gateway, like bank transfer and all. You can add that deposit request, payment logs. Then we have like payout method. So which payout method we are supporting, so we can add that payout request, payout logs, we can check it here. Then we have a support tickets, so like what issues we are facing, so we can create multiple issue like support tickets. So user creating any support ticket, that data will come here, you can manage that. Then open ticket, close ticket, answer ticket. Then we have a subscribers data. Okay, then we have some basic control which you can manage, like currency, base color, time zones, base currency, refund charge, win charge, minimum bet, and all. Then we have plugins control. So here you can manage your plugins like talk.control, Google reCAPTCHA, Google Analyze. You just need to add key, then it will work for you. Here we have an email. So we already using SMTP, so you just need to set up key, then it will work for you. Then we have a SMS. So we are using Nextmo for like SMS configuration. So for SMS, you can set up your Nextmo key. Then we have a push notification we are using. So we are using pusher for this. You set up your pusher key. Then languages we have. So here you can set up multiple languages. Then we have a logo, breadcrumbs, content we have which you can manage, or content settings we have which you can update. So this is the complete demo which I already show you. So if you have any doubts, query, then you can contact with us. Thank you.